Is artificial intelligence the future of humanity, or the end of it? A question that stirs a whirlwind of thoughts and debates. It's no longer the stuff of science fiction, it's our reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has potential to revolutionize our world, but it also carries risks that we can't ignore. How do we strike a balance? How do we harness the benefits while mitigating the dangers? The answer lies in understanding AI's roots. Let's delve into the history of artificial intelligence and find out more. The concept of artificial intelligence isn't as modern as you might think. In fact, it's a concept that dates back to the roots of civilization itself. The ancient Greeks, for example, spun tales of automatons, tools and figures that moved and operated on their own, creations of the gods or ingenious inventors. These myths may have been the product of fertile imaginations, but they also reflected a deep-seated human desire to create life, to fashion something that could think and act for itself. Fast forward to the Enlightenment era. Philosophers like René Descartes toyed with the notion of mechanical or artificial beings, further fueling the human fascination with creating intelligent life. But it wasn't until the 20th century that the concept of artificial intelligence as we know it today began to take shape. Enter the British mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing. In the mid-20th century, Turing introduced the idea of a universal machine that could simulate the logic of any computer algorithm. This machine, now known as the Turing machine, laid the groundwork for the birth of modern AI. It represented the idea that machines could not only carry out tasks, but they could also learn and adapt to different scenarios based on the information they processed. A few decades later, in the mid-20th century, the term artificial intelligence was coined at a conference at Dartmouth College. This meeting of minds, including the likes of John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and others, marked a pivotal moment. They believed not only in the possibility of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence, but also in the potential of these machines to exceed human intelligence. From ancient myths to philosophical musings to groundbreaking scientific advancements, the dream of artificial intelligence has been a constant companion to human progress. The stage was set, and the world was ready for the dawn of the AI era. The second half of the 20th century marked an exciting time for AI. This era, often referred to as the golden age of artificial intelligence, saw the field blossom and take significant strides toward its current state. During this period, a new concept took root in the AI domain. The idea of neural networks, inspired by our own brain structure. This concept envisioned a network of artificial neurons that could learn and adapt, much like their biological counterparts. These neural networks laid the groundwork for the development of deep learning, an approach to AI that would revolutionize the field in the years to come. Simultaneously, machine learning emerged as a powerful tool within the AI toolkit. Machine learning algorithms enabled computers to learn from data, making them capable of improving their performance over time without being explicitly programmed to do so. This was a game changer, allowing AI systems to tackle more complex tasks and deliver more accurate results. The Golden Age also saw the birth of the first AI programs that could mimic human intelligence in specific tasks. These included systems like ELIZA, a computer program developed at MIT that could simulate a psychotherapist, and Sherdlu, a program capable of understanding and responding to natural language queries about a virtual world of blocks. These pioneering efforts in AI were not without their challenges. There were debates about the ethical implications of creating machines that could think and learn, and concerns about the potential risks of AI. Yet despite these concerns, the innovations of this era pushed the boundaries of what was possible, propelling AI from theoretical concept to practical reality. This golden age was just the beginning, setting the foundation for the AI we know today. It was a time of exploration, discovery, and innovation. A time when the seeds of modern AI were planted, ready to grow into the powerful technology we see transforming our world today. Fast forward to the 21st century, and AI is no longer a thing of science fiction. We've witnessed an explosion of artificial intelligence in the modern era. It's not just about robots and supercomputers anymore. Today, AI has permeated our everyday lives, from our smartphones to our smart homes. It's helping us navigate traffic, recommend our next favorite movie, and even diagnose diseases. The driving force behind this revolution is a powerful technique known as deep learning. This concept, inspired by the human brain, involves training artificial neural networks on a large amount of data. The more data these networks process, the better they become at recognizing patterns and making predictions. Deep learning has been instrumental in some of the most significant advancements in AI. It's what enables self-driving cars to interpret road signs and avoid obstacles. It's the magic behind voice assistants understanding our commands and translation software converting one language to another in real time. And yet we've barely scratched the surface of what AI can do. The potential applications for this technology are vast and varied. In healthcare, AI could revolutionize diagnostics, making it faster and more accurate. In education, it could provide personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. In environmental conservation, AI could help monitor and protect endangered species. But the AI revolution is not just about the technology. It's also about the people behind it, the brilliant minds who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The innovators who are not just dreaming of a better future, but actively building it. They're the ones who are harnessing the power of AI to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, we must also grapple with the ethical implications. How do we ensure that AI is used for good and not for harm? How do we protect privacy in an age of big data? How do we mitigate the risk of job displacement due to automation? These are complex questions that require thoughtful, informed discussions. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must come together, policymakers, technologists, and citizens alike, to shape the future of AI. The future of AI seems limitless, but what does this mean for us? As we continue to explore the possibilities and challenge the boundaries, we must remember that at its core, AI is a tool. A powerful, transformative tool, yes, but one that is ultimately shaped by our choices, our values, and our vision for the future. As with any powerful technology, AI carries the potential for both good and bad. It's like a coin with two faces, each holding a different story, a different potential. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can be a tremendous force for good, a tool that can transform our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. It can increase our efficiency, helping us to do more with less, to work smarter, not harder. It can automate tasks that are mundane or repetitive, freeing us to focus on the things that truly require our human touch. Moreover, AI is an invaluable ally in scientific research. From accelerating the pace of drug discovery to better understanding climate change, its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately is revolutionizing our approach to solving some of the world's most pressing problems. But, as with all technological advancements, there's a flip side to this coin. AI has the potential to disrupt job markets as automation replaces human labor. It raises questions about what work will look like in the future and who will benefit from these changes. Ethical considerations also come into play. How can we ensure AI is used responsibly? How do we protect against biases being built into these systems? And as AI becomes more prevalent, who will have control over this technology, and what will they do with it? These are complex issues that we must grapple with as we navigate this new frontier. The implications of AI are vast and varied, spanning from the individual to the societal level. They are opportunities to be seized, challenges to be met, and dilemmas to be resolved. Whether we see AI as a boon or bane, it's clear that its influence on our lives is only set to grow. We stand on the brink of a new era, one shaped by artificial intelligence. And as we step into this future, it's up to us to decide how we will harness this power, how we will shape this brave new world. So, where does this leave us? In the grand scheme of things, we've seen the birth and blossoming of artificial intelligence, from its humble beginnings to the era of its golden age, and onto the modern revolution. Each phase has left an indelible mark, changing the way we live, work, and even perceive the world. As we stride forward, it's crucial to realize that the future of AI doesn't solely rest in the hands of developers and researchers. It's a shared responsibility. We must all play a role in shaping the ethical framework that guides AI development, ensuring it benefits humanity as a whole. Regulation is key. It will help us navigate the potential pitfalls and maximize the benefits of this incredibly powerful technology. We're not just spectators in this AI journey, we're active participants steering the course of our collective future. As we stand on the brink of the AI revolution, it's clear that our future will be shaped by how we manage this powerful technology.